Humans didn't come from thin air. Humans have been developed over a slow but efficient process called evolution.
This process happens to all living organisms, and it has been happening since life on Earth was first created.
Evolution is an efficient process in which all organisms change to best equip themselves to live in the world around them. Humans have evolved from many different creatures over time.
At one point in time, humans were actually a type of monkey. This monkey couldn't stand on its two legs, it could only swing up in the trees. These monkeys were located in Africa. They were known as Agiopithecus. They lived about 56 million years ago.
These monkeys changed into what's known as a proconsul. They were larger and their arms were longer and more flexible, making it easier to get food that they needed. They evolved into this about 17 million years ago. Over time, Africa became a dry place with few forests. This made the food in the trees scarce. These monkeys had to evolve because the land around them was changing, making their food harder to acquire.
Because of this environmental change, they had to evolve once again. They evolved themselves to be able to walk. They are now called Adripithecus ramidus. They were the first ones who had learnt how to walk on 2 feet. This made them bipedal, meaning they had a better posture and was easier for them to walk upright. They were able to walk on 2 legs around 4.4 million years ago. This stage changed it forever. Being able to walk on 2 legs helped us greatly. Over the next 1.2 million years, we evolved so that we could walk further and faster.
3.2 million years ago, finding shelter and food got easier, and we now always walk on 2 legs.
At 2.3 million years ago, our brains had doubled in size, meaning that we had become smarter. At this stage, we were all bigger, stronger, and getting hungrier. We were the first organism to make and use tools. By getting tools, we were able to change the world and be able to sustain our life.
1.8 million years ago, the new species had been developed, Homo erectus. Until this point we were scavengers, but now we are hunters. We have now also learnt how to work with other members of our species. Our prey can run faster than us, but we can run longer with our low shoulders and torso, stabling ourselves. And also sweat stops us from overheating so we can stay cooler.
We were the ones that were able to use fire to assist us. Fire helped us to eat meat. When the meat was cooked, it became easier to chew, making us have smaller and less powerful jaws. Not needing to chew our food as much made our wisdom teeth draw back into our gum.
Over time of human evolution, the brains of each stage. Over time of human evolution, the brains got bigger. The size of the proconsul's brain was the size of an orange. By the time the Homo erectus had appeared, the brain size was 3 times larger than the one of the proconsuls.
Evolution takes place again. This time it introduces a new species called Homo sapiens. These creatures developed the final key to become human, communication. Over time, Homo erectus developed a voice box. This occurred around 200,000 years ago.
Now we are the most complex species that has ever lived on this planet. We have created so many amazing things, all thanks to a simple monkey that lived in Africa 56 million years ago, and also thanks to evolution.